Hello everybody, my name is Lucas from Device Pitstop, and for today's tech tip, I'm going to talk to you about a couple different keyboard shortcuts that should help you out while you're working from home or doing any kind of schoolwork from home. Should just make your life a little bit more efficient, and these actually both apply to Windows as well as Mac. The only difference here is usually we use Control on Windows, whereas on Macs we usually use the Command key. But all these should apply to both systems. Firstly, what I'm going to talk to you about is on our web browser here. And that would be the new tab shortcut. And so what that is Control T, and as you can see, that opened up a new tab over here. I already had a tab open, so you should be able to get any kind of new thing as you're working on your computer. If you press Control T, it'll open that tab, make it a little bit easier for you. And then next, what you're going to do is close those, and with that would be a Control W. And what that will do is it'll control that last tab, or it would erase that last tab that you were working on. So for example, here we have the timer tab open, we Control W, that tab is gone now. If you needed that tab back, what you could do is Control Shift T, and what that does is it will bring back that exact tab that you had open earlier. Next, I'm going to do a couple different shortcuts that'll help you on Microsoft Word. The first one being how to copy and paste. So usually we're used to highlighting, as you can see here, right-clicking and then pressing copy, and then going down here and pressing paste. So that's what we're usually doing. What this you could do is highlight something and then press Control C, which will copy it, and then if I wanted to place that down here and paste it, I would press Control V. And what that did is that what I had copied earlier, it has now pasted into this Word document. And then, let's say you didn't want those where they were, you could press Control Z to take it back to the last step that you did. So let's say we accidentally erased this entire page. What you would do is you would just press Control Z and it would bring everything back to where it was. Lastly, I'm going to teach you Control A, which highlights all of it. So essentially, let's say you're looking throughout an entire document and you realize you don't need this page. So what I would do is I would press Control A, which would highlight everything, and then I'd press backspace. So that page I don't need anymore. I'm going to press Control Z to bring everything back just so I can show you. And actually, one more tip while we're at it is going to be how to find things in a certain document. So as you can see, a lot of this is gibberish, but I did write a little phrase down here so that I can search something. So what you would do is press Control F, and this works both on your Word documents as well as the internet. And when you press Control F, you can look up certain things, such as the word phrase. So I type in phrase, and it's gonna highlight exactly where that is on the page. So I know exactly where that is, and it works with different, if you're wanting to use a string of words more than just a singular word, that works as well. And that concludes our tech tip for this Tuesday. If you have any other questions or have any tips that you're interested in seeing or learning, let us know on Instagram and Facebook, and we're definitely happy to accommodate in any way. Thank you so much for listening to this today, and have a great day.